Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to add clock in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To add a clock widget to your Notion page using Indify, start by opening your browser and navigating to the Indify website at indify.co. Once there, choose your favorite clock widget from the options available. Click on the clock widget you like and you'll be prompted to add a title for it. Indify will then generate the clock widget for you within a few seconds. On the left side of your screen, you'll find various settings for customizing your clock. You can switch between analog and digital types, change the time zone, and adjust other settings. If you want your clock to be transparent, make sure to untick the background color option. After customizing your clock, click on the clipboard icon to copy the embed link for your widget. Next, go to Notion and create a new page or open an existing one. Click on the page, press the / key, and type embed. Paste the copied link into the embed box and press enter. Your clock widget will appear in your Notion page within seconds. You can resize the widget by dragging its corners to fit your desired size. So that's basically how to add clock in Notion. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.